Welcome back. My name is Athena from DreamForgeAcademy, and I will guide you through this lesson. Login is only the front door. Real protection comes from enforcing identity and ownership on every server-side read and write. By the end of this lesson, you will configure Better Auth, protect application routes, and prove one user cannot read or change another user records. Use this working model before touching implementation. Authentication proves identity. Authorization enforces access. Server actions and queries derive owner identity from the session, never form input. Public invoice tokens grant narrow access to one invoice, not account access. Ownership tests must include a second synthetic user. The detailed course material explains the vocabulary and shows how these ideas connect to the visible product result. Work through the lesson in a controlled sequence. Configure auth, then protect routes, then centralize ownership, then apply to queries and actions, then test isolation. Pause after each stage and inspect the result. This prevents a long agent run from hiding the first incorrect assumption or expanding into work that belongs to a later lesson. Claude Code leads the walkthrough, but the instruction is intentionally portable to Codex. Add Better Auth and enforce server-side ownership across all finance data. Never accept owner IDs from forms. Add tests with two synthetic users proving cross-user reads and writes are denied. Keep the acceptance checks visible, review the proposed scope before edits, and require a report of files, commands, assumptions, and deferrals. Verification is the learner responsibility. Confirm these observable results. Signed-out users cannot enter app routes. User A cannot read user B records. User A cannot mutate user B records. Owner identity comes from the session. Checkpoint 1 tests pass. Also preserve this safety boundary. Never trust a user ID submitted by the browser and never expose auth secrets in client bundles or screenshots. If one check fails, repair the smallest responsible layer and run the check again. Complete the assignment. Complete checkpoint 1 and write the evidence that proves user isolation. Then personalize the safe creative layer, customize sign-in, copy, and onboarding steps while preserving the authentication and ownership contract. Save the verified state as checkpoint 1, data and identity boundary ready. Thank you for watching. Follow along using the course material and complete the lesson assignment. I will see you in the next lesson.